In this video, we're making these delicious white chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, to your flour, add in the baking powder and the baking soda and mix it till it's well combined. In another bowl, take the butter and add in both the sugars. Beat for about a minute or two till it's light and creamy. Then add in the egg and again beat for about 2 minutes. Add the creamy peanut butter and the vanilla extract and again beat till it's well combined. Now add in the flour to this and beat just on low speed till the flour is combined in the dough. Finally, add in your white chocolate chips and just give them a mix. And your cookie dough is ready. You're going to chill this for about an hour or more. And then line your baking tray with some baking paper. And then you're going to scoop out a huge tablespoonful of the cookie dough. Roll it into a ball and then coat it with some granulated sugar. And then place it on your baking tray. Repeat for the remaining batter and make sure to leave an inch or two gap between the cookie dough balls. And then you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until the cookies are golden brown at the bottom. Once they are done, let them cool for a few minutes in the pan and then take them out onto a cooling rack. And then have them while they're fresh and enjoy them with a cup of coffee or tea. These taste absolutely delightful. The peanut butter and the white chocolate chips really pair together so well. Once you take a bite, you really cannot resist these. I really hope you try this recipe out and let me know how it turned out for you. I'll see you soon with new recipes. Bye!